Morning, dear friends. In the previous video, we have already discussed about what are the types of salt, in which important simple salt, double salt, and the next one is complex salt. That is the chapter aim. That is nothing but the coordination compounds. But before going to start, why these complex salts are different from the simple and double? First, you need to be identification. It means how to identify the complex salt by its structural representation. Just observe here, this is one of the coordination compound. It is identified by with this square bracket. Where there is a square bracket, it means it is a coordination compound or nothing but the complex salt. Okay, any complex salt, there are some important parts are present. Whatever the ions present outside the coordination sphere, that is nothing but the common ion. Okay, it means this ion can be identified within the regular process. Then it means it is acts like a common ion, in which here K plus, and there 4 K plus ions are considered as the common ion, and within this square bracket as a whole, it is considered as a complex ion, or it is nothing but the coordination sphere. Okay, within this coordination sphere or within this complex ion, some parts are present. That is central atom. Okay, this is one of the central atom. And central atom, as usual, made up of the D block metals. Here iron is one of the D block metal, and whatever the remaining thing after this central metal atom, the remaining things are considered as ligands. Okay, what is meant by ligands we are going to be studied further, but these are the main important parts of this complex salt. Okay, one is common ion part. It means outside the coordination sphere, that is common ion. And whatever the square bracket inside, that is as a whole coordination sphere, and in this coordination sphere D block metal is present, that is iron, and it is considered as the central atom. And after this central atom, whatever the number of present, that is cyanide 6, that is nothing but the ligands. And in further you are going to be identified what is the definition of central atom, what is meant by this coordination sphere, and what is meant by ligands. It is the further studies, and after knowing all these things, then only you can identify why this complex ion is stable. Important term is that is a central atom. Okay, how to identify the central atom? In this coordination sphere, only one metal is present, that is compulsory made up of D block element. Because only the D block elements can form the coordination bond. Therefore, in the whole chapter, D block elements are present. Here one of the D block metals, that is iron. Iron is considered as the central atom, and around this central metal atom, remaining ligands are present. It means the D block metal iron, and this coordination number is fixed. And what is this term coordination number means? Nothing but this iron, how much ligands it can attach. It means just observe here, iron surrounded by the 6 different cyanide molecules. Okay, it means coordination number for iron is 6, and this coordination number is fixed. Coordination number is fixed means that number is the same. Okay, it means in all the complex, not only in this complex, in all the complex where there is an iron, it is always received the 6 different lone pair of electrons. How it is receiving the lone pair of electrons? Just identify this diagram. Iron is present at the center, and it is surrounded by the 6 different cyanide molecules, and it is the representation like this, the cyanide molecules, all the way it is surrounded by the 6 different cyanide molecules, and all the 6 cyanide molecules, these are having the one lone pair of electron. That lone pair of electron, it is donated towards the central atom. Therefore, it is the representation like this. Okay, it means it is the symbolic representation of coordination bond. It is the lone pair of electron, it is donated towards the one center, in which all the cyanide ligands donated towards the central atom. Therefore, iron is considered as the central metal atom. And another one point you have to be known, these cyanides may be in some complexes, that is may be different. Okay, it means here 6 cyanides, all the 6 cyanides are same. But in some other complexes there may be changes. How it is the changes? This becomes the same, iron acid is, and this is cyanide 4 times, and in place of 2 cyanides two chlorine molecules that may be present. Okay, it means what happens here? 4 cyanides are same and 2 of them are replaced by chlorine. But again, which one is same? That coordination number is same. It is 4 plus 2 and both are considered as a ligand here. Therefore 4 plus 2, again coordination number is 6. Therefore it is the concept of central atom. And what are the points going to be remembered? Central atom means it is always a d block metal and its coordination number is fixed. And what is this coordination number? How much lone pair of electron it can receive, that is the coordination number, and it is always fixed. For example, iron, it is 6. In case of iron, another metal atom, that is nickel. In case nickel is not present with other, that is coordination number 4. Like this, all the d block elements are in the fixed number of coordination number, and it is the first year concept, that is lone pair acceptor. Okay, it means central atom, it is receiving the lone pair of electron. According to the definition of Lewis, what are the substances receiving the lone pair of electron? That is nothing but the Lewis bases here. Therefore, central atom, these are nothing but the Lewis base, and it is the concept regarding the central. In further classes, we can continue to the next important parts of the complex salt, that is after completion of this central atom. Next, we can move on to this ligands. What is meant by ligands? What are the types of ligands? That is the next important part of this chapter. Therefore, that is going to be studied in further. If you are getting any doubts or any difficulties in this central atom concept, you can make use of this description link as well as the comment section.